presentation ni ganda. Okay, first one is Plankton. Si Plankton, he makes the noise. Okay, that's all. Okay, wait, next is what the Sigma. He is, imagine you're a nerd, you say what the Sigma. Okay, next is Godzilla. This is Godzilla po. He is the king of the I don't know, whatever you call. It's not inappropriate. It's just he's farting. It's related to the word yeah. Wrong picture. Wrong picture, my bad. Anyways, this is I show speed. He is the famous whatever you call it. He's the famous no. He is the famous YouTuber, streamer, whatever you call him. He's a Ronaldo fan. Next is Chimpanzini Bananini, cause yes, he's a chimpanzee in a banana. Anyways, next si Bombardiro Crocodilo, whatever you call him. He's a crocodile in an airplane, I think. And but not the least, tetereng tralalelo tralala. Okay, that's controversial. Anyways, that's super cool. He's a shark with Nikes with 3 legs. Very, very nice. Anyway, that's all. Bye. Megatron.